Welcome to TechTonicTwist, the channel that brings you latest and greatest in gadgets and gizmos. From smartphones to laptops, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best drones to buy in 2024, based on their features, performance, and price. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional, there's a drone for you in this list. Before we start the video, let me tell you our last drone is so cheap that even your 10-year-old kid can buy it with their pocket money.
All the links of these drones are in the description.
At number 5, we're diving into the future of aerial exploration with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is a mini drone with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that can shoot 4K 60 FPS HDR video and 48 megapixel photos. What sets it apart? Unleash your creativity with true vertical shooting mode, capturing breathtaking scenes without the need for post-cutting. Safety takes center stage with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, providing confidence to even first-time users. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with extended 34 minutes flight times. It also has a 20-kilometer video transmission range, ensuring lag-free, high-quality visuals. The DJI Mini 4 Pro goes beyond with customizable intelligent tracking, smooth controls, 60-degree obstacle avoidance, exceptional stability, captivating image quality, and intelligent flight modes which weighs less than 249 grams. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, this compact and portable drone is your ticket to exploring the world from a unique perspective. Don't miss out on the immersive flight experience. Unlock it with DJI RC Motion 2 and DJI Goggles 2, sold separately. At number 4, introducing the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a game changer in the world of drones for 2024. This is a flagship camera drone that has a triple lens system, including a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, a 70mm tele camera, and a 166mm tele camera, delivering stunning 20 megapixels image quality, which is so good, you'll be questioning if you actually flew to Mars or just used the Mavic 3, and 3 cameras can also shoot 5.1K video. With a medium tele camera featuring 3x optical zoom and a powerful 1.2-inch CMOS tele camera, providing an incredible 7x optical zoom and 28x hybrid zoom, the Mavic 3 Pro redefines aerial cinematography. The drone also has a 15-kilometer video transmission range, a 43-minute flight time, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It also has some professional features like Active Track 360-degree, which tracks your subject from any angle, and Spotlight, which locks the camera on your subject while you fly freely. Equipped with 3 batteries, a charging hub, and an ergonomic DJI RC, this drone ensures extended flights and seamless control. A recent firmware upgrade introduces Vision Assist and enhances color modes, making the Mavic 3 Pro a beast for the serious aerial artists, the pixel pushers, the storytellers who refuse to settle for anything less than epic. At number 3, get ready to soar to new heights with the DJI Air 2S, the ultimate drone with a 4K camera designed for adults seeking unparalleled aerial cinematography. This is a powerful and versatile drone that has a 1-inch image sensor and 2.4mm pixels. The Air 2S pushes boundaries with stunning 5.4K 30fps and 4K 60fps video capabilities and 20 megapixels photos. Say goodbye to complex shot planning with the evolution of quick shots. Enter Master Shots, an advanced intelligent feature that effortlessly captures the best shots with just a tap, adapting to any location in HDR, which enhances the dynamic range and color of your footage. It also has a 31-minute flight time, with a remarkable 7.5 miles max video transmission range, powered by DJI's O3 OcuSync 3.0 technology. Experience ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feeds on every flight. Safety takes center stage with environment sensing, enabling the Air 2S to actively avoid obstacles in all directions, even at high speeds and in complex scenarios. Elevate your aerial photography game in 2024 with the DJI Air 2S, where innovation meets breathtaking visual storytelling. At number 2, meet the DJI Mini 2 SE, a compact powerhouse which is a great entry-level drone that weighs less than 250 grams, so you don't need to register it in most countries and regions. This lightweight marvel is your ideal travel companion, capturing stunning aerial moments effortlessly on hikes, road trips, and spontaneous adventures. It has a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor that can shoot 2.7K video and 12 megapixel photos with 4x digital zoom. It also has a 10-kilometer video transmission range, a 31-minute flight time, and some smart features like quick shots and panorama. Designed with beginners in mind, it boasts simplified operations, a return-to-home function for added safety. The combo option includes 3 intelligent flight batteries for up to 93 minutes of flight time, allowing you to explore and create more. With the DJI Fly app's easy-to-use shooting templates, epic imaging is just a few taps away, generating professional-level videos ready for instant social media sharing. If you're looking for a cheap, simple, and fun drone to fly, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a good choice. The last drone I want to show you is the perfect drone for young adventurers. The kids drone with an adjustable 1080p HD camera and a plethora of exciting features for endless fun. Use the Velcase VGO app for seamless control and enjoy real-time video feed through FPV technology, capturing stunning photos and videos effortlessly. Packed with functions like barometric altitude hold and one-key takeoff or landing, this drone is exceptionally beginner-friendly, suitable for kids of all ages. With a foldable design, included accessories like propeller guards and spare fan blades, and a portable bag for on-the-go adventures, this drone ensures convenience and safety, while the 360-degree flip and gesture, photo, GR video add a layer of excitement. With a 26-minute flight time powered by two 1050mAh batteries, your little aviators can capture memories from the sky. Affordable, easy to use, and packed with features, this kids drone is the ultimate gift for creative minds ready to soar into the world of aerial exploration. That's the list for our best drones for 2024. Some are stock limited, so hurry up and buy from the link. And if you already have a drone for you, I am providing you a link to buy accessories for your drone. Hope you liked the video and subscribe, or we will send you a drone to shoot you.